So guys, this question is under differential equation. And for each of the following, state whether the equations are ordinary or partial, linear or non-linear, and give its order and degree. So guys, check the description of this video. There are playlists of differential equation that you can go through it, and this will help you to understand what you're going to do here. So now let's go. We're going to take them one by one. So with the first one, we're supposed to find that is the y squared over the x squared plus k squared x is equal to 0. So we are supposed to determine whether this is ordinary or partial or linear or non-linear and give its order and degree. So we are taking the first one. So with the first question, now for an equation to be partial, we know, or linear. With a partial, we have a symbol which represents the partial. So normally, the partial one has a symbol like this. So with this, you can know that it's automatically ordinary differential equation. Now, we are supposed to find whether it is linear or non-linear. As I said, check the description of this video. I have a video of linear and non-linear differential equation. So there are three rules that you should use. There are three rules that you are supposed to follow when you are finding whether a differential equation is linear or non-linear. And with this, the first rule is that there shouldn't be a function, that is the dependent function multiplying by the differential, and the second one is the transcendental function shouldn't multiply the dependent variable. And the third one, check the description of this video and go through it. From that reason, we know that this is automatically linear differential equation. Now let's go to the order. When we talk about the order, it's the number of times an equation has been differentiated. So when we look at this, the number of times is 2 times. So the order is now 2. Now the degree is the exponent of the order. So now when you look at this, this is the where we had the order from, and the exponent is 1, so the degree is 1. So check the description of this video and you will get to know everything you need to know. Now let's move on to the second question, which is dy dx plus xy squared is equal to 0. With this, we know that it's automatically ordinary differential equation and it is linear, and also the order is 1 and the degree is 1. As I said, check the description of this video. There's a full course on this. Watch and understand it very well. So the next question we're going to talk about is y prime prime, that is y prime prime minus 3y prime plus 2y is equal to 0. We are supposed to determine whether this is ordinary or partial differential equation, linear or non-linear, and give its order and degree. So with this is automatically an ordinary differential equation and it is linear. Then the degree here, let's predict what will be the degree. The degree here will be 2, and let's predict the order. The order here, let's predict the order. The order here will be 2 and the degree will be 1. Let's move on. Now when we talk about the order, is the highest time the differential equation has been differentiated. So when you see we have this representing prime, prime. Yes. So when you check the video out, you understand all ways that you can use to represent the differential equation. Let's go to the fourth one. With the fourth one, we have y exponent 4 plus this one. Let me show you something. With this, we have ways in which differential equation can be represented, and this is one of them. When it's in this, it means that it has been differentiated 4 times. So therefore, it is ordinary and also it is linear, but the order will be 4. Yes, but when they write 4 exponent 4, a y exponent 4 is far different from this. With this, it is not a differentiable thing. This is a normal one, but with this, it has been differentiated 4 times, and the degree is 1. Let's move on to the fifth one. With the fifth one, with this, now one of the rules is that you shouldn't have the dependent variable, the dependent variable multiplying a transcendental function. So as you've seen here, this is multiplying a transcendental function, which makes this an ordinary differential equation, but it is non-linear because it is what is not applying to one of the rules, and the order is 2. The degree, with a degree, it can be fine. Now with a seed question, we are supposed to find 3x squared y prime prime plus 2 ln x y prime plus e exponent s y is equal to 3s cos x. With this, as you can see, this is an ordinary differential equation, and we're going to take whether this is linear or non-linear. This is automatically linear because, as I said, with the non-linear, for it to become, you shouldn't have the dependent variable multiplying the transcendental function, right? But with this, it's independent variable because with x is independent and the y is dependent. So since x is independent on y, when it is multiplying by a transcendental function, it still make it what? Linear. So it's still linear. And also, when we talk about the degree, the order is 2 and the degree will be automatically 1. Yes, so this is how we find the order. We check whether a differential equation is ordinary, partial, linear or non-linear, and also the order and degree. Yes, and I said, kindly check the description of this video. I have a video on this, how you can go about this. So thank you very much for watching this video.